Hello friends, next we have structure initialization. Like arrays, structures also can be initialized with some values. So we have seen how the arrays are initialized like int marks of 5 equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So likewise we can initialize the structures also. So the syntax says that struct tag name variable is equal to value 1, value 2 up to n value. Got it? Struct is the keyword, tag name is optional sometimes, so that you can use tag name here. Then structure variable is equal to n number of variables you can assign. See, equal operator is here. You can assign the values to the respective structure variable. So here we are having n number of n number exactly. So we are having some 6 to 7 types of initialization techniques here to the structures. So example 1 shows some of the technique how we can initialize the values to structure. See, example 1 says that struct employee followed by one set of flower braces, and inside that we are having 3 data types and 3 data members like name, salary and ID. Then see, after the flower brace I am declaring one structure variable called A is equal to, first one is the name, right? So that it should be a string. So Sukesh I am writing here with double quotes, then comma. After that salary I have to put it. So 50,000 without comma. Okay, now 50,000. Then comma. ID is 20. So within one set of flower brace I have initialized name of the employee and salary of the employee and ID of the employee. See, what is the structure name here? Employee. Struct keyword followed by employee structure name, and with the 3 data fields followed by one structure variable, that is A, and this A is initialized with these values. So here you can observe that the above example, employee name is Sukesh, salary is 50,000 and his ID is 40 or 20. Okay, so like this is example 1. Then example 2. See, this is another type of initialization technique. Struct employee, name, salary and ID are the data members. See, I am not initializing any structure variable here, just I closed with semicolon. After that in main function what I do, I am going to initialize like this. Struct employee A equals to Sukesh 50,000 and 20. See, flower brace is closed here and ends with semicolon. So this is what another type of initialization technique used in structures. Then example 3, struct employee, 3 fields, but here I am declaring 2 structure variables, one is A and other one is B. A is not initialized with any value, but B is initialized with Sukesh 50,000 and 20. So here A structure variable is having no values, but B structure variable is having 3 values here. Okay. So this is example 3. Next example 4. So in this example, struct employee, 3 data fields, then flower brace is closed here. After that, see, you can observe that no semicolon in the sense continuation. A is equal to Sukesh 50,000 and 20. B equals to Rakesh 15,000 and 840. Structure variable A initialized with 3 values, and one more structure variable is declared here, B, and that is also initialized with 3 values. It means 2 structure variables are initialized here only and ends with semicolon. Got it? Next, example 5. Struct employee, name, salary and ID and ends with semicolon. Here, struct employee A equals to Sukesh 50,000 and 20 semicolon. Struct employee B Rakesh 15,840. It means this is the structure declared here, and structure variables are declared in main function. These 2 statements you can write in main function. So in main function, struct employee is the structure name, variable is A equals to some values, and the same structure employee B variable is equal to this much. Okay. Last category is there. See, struct employee, character of name of 20 is equal to Sukesh, int salary is equal to 50 and int ID is equal to 20. So this is what one invalid initialization example. So like this, you should not initialize the values in a structure. Direct initialization is not allowed. Okay. So these are all the some techniques of initialization. So next we can see how to access the structure members. See, structure members can be accessed by using the dot operator. Using dot operator, you can access the structure members, also called as period operator. What is the syntax? See, dot operator is here. Before the dot operator, you can have a structure variable name. After the dot operator, you can have a member. Who is the structure variable and who is the member? We'll discuss now by seeing this example. See, in this example, one demo example I am writing here. Struct demo int I int j. It means two data members are declared of type integer, and close the parenthesis. Structure variable name is s. Got it? So structure is declared inside the main function. Now I am trying to access the I and j. How? S dot I is equal to 100. See, I is accessed here. Dot operator is here. Left side of the dot operator is variable, structure variable. Which is a structure variable? Yes. Yes, I used it here. Then after the dot operator, I have to use member. Who is the member? I. See, s dot I and initialized with some value. And s dot j is initialized with some value. See, this 100 and 200 I am not initializing inside the structure. I am initializing in main function. It is allowed. Okay, now then print the results. Printf %d s dot I and s dot j. So dot operator is used to access the structure data members inside the main function. Okay. Another example you can see here. See, I am writing a structure called book. Struct book. So book name, then price, and then how many pages it is having. That one I am taking as a 3 data members. Character name, int price, int pages. Then I can observe that I am not initializing any structure variable here. You can initialize here also, not a problem. But I am going to initialize this structure variable inside the main function. See, struct book b1. Struct book b1. Struct structure name book b1 is the structure variable. Okay, now printf, enter the book name, price and pages. Scanf, see, book name means string, so %s. b1 dot name, see, b1 I am using here dot name, so name is this one. Okay, now next scanf %d ampersand b1 dot price. b1 is the structure variable, price is the data member. Then scanf %d ampersand b1 pages. b1 is the structure variable name, pages is the data member name. After that, using these 3 statements, you can enter some book name like C programming book. Price is 200 rupees and pages are 200 pages. Then you can print the same thing. Display the book details. Book name equals to %s. b1 dot name. b1 is the structure name and the name is the data member name. So it is going to print C programming book. Then second statement prints price of the book and third printf statement prints the number of pages like this. See, enter the book details CCP 200 and 1000 pages, and this is the output. Display the book pages, book details CCP 200 and 1000. Thank you.